Hey, what's up mga Manix? Another day and another vlog mga Manix. And today we're going to do a reaction video about Marcelito Pomoy. I met with President Trump in the US while performing at the gala. So come and join me mga Manix. Tara!
Got Talent contest. He's absolutely fascinating in the sense that he can have the highest soprano and the lowest baritone. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Marcelito Pomoy.
Good evening, Mr. President. On behalf of Council of the Philippines, I just want to say thank you, and I will dedicate the song for you.
At Mar-a-Lago, the historic estate of the President of the United States, a remarkable moment took place. During an elegant dinner with President Donald J. Trump, world-renowned Filipino singer Marcelito Pomoy delivered a moving performance of the prayer. His extraordinary voice filled the room with emotion and reverence, captivating distinguished guests and turning the evening into a moment of unity and reflection. On one of the world's most prestigious stages, Marcelito stood not just as an artist, but as a symbol of Filipino excellence, a proud Filipino moment shared with the world.
In times when we don't know, let this be our when we lose our way, lead us to our light, guide us with your grace.
La lucha que tú traes.
Wow, tingnan mo oh. Donald Trump, nanood talaga oh. Ayun oh. Si Donald Trump. President Trump was watching, guys. President Trump was watching. Or President Trump is watching pala.
let this be our
Lead us to a place.
guide us with your eyes.
Give us faith so will be saved. Sogniamo senza più violenza di un mondo di giustizia e speranza. Just like every child,
Just like every child
needs to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us faith so willing, Sento che ci sta
si Trump, oh. President Trump is watching, guys. President Trump is eating while watching. Oh, they met. Wow. Marcelito Pomoy really shake hand the President of the United States, Donald Trump. I'm so proud being a Filipino to see Marcelito Pomoy met the President of the United States. And not only President Trump, but also the wife of President Trump. See? Wow. Nice. Yeah. Another performance from Marcelito Pomoy. That's what they call a reaction video. Standing ovation yung mga dun, di ba? Proud na proud. I'm so proud si my kababayan Marcelito Pomoy perform in front of the President of the United States, Donald Trump. Congratulations, Marcelito Pomoy. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you can subscribe and follow and share this video. Thank you, guys.